Experience driving perfection in the 2021 GMC Terrain. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, lane departure warning, and power windows. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.